So now in this video we're going to look at the 555 timer. I wired it basically as a Schmitt Trigger Inverter. So right now the input is low. We're measuring the supply voltage there. It's 6 volts. It's not lining up perfectly, but the supply voltage is 6 volts. So when we get to 4 volts, which is 2/3 of the supply voltage, that's the main thing. Now you're going to see the output switch from high to low. We looked at that in earlier videos. Now I'm going to drop below 2 volts, 1/3 of the supply voltage. That's the main thing. And now you can see the output goes back high. So we saw where the supply voltage is. It's not moving at all. Let's look at the moving voltage. So it doesn't make it all the way up to 6 because we have the LED. If we remove the LED, we'll get a closer voltage right there. But in any case, wrong spot there. Hopefully I didn't fry anything. There we go. We have the LED. There you can see it drops some of the voltage, unfortunately, when the 555 has to provide current. But it does go to ground, as you can see there, really well. So this is a nice way to be able to manually adjust this. So of course that is with 6 volts, makes the math easy. 4 volt threshold, upper threshold, and then 2 volt lower threshold there. We have a middle ground region though. It'll stay in whatever state it was last put into. As you can see there, that's what makes it a Schmitt trigger. This middle ground region is hysteresis.